So for this calculation, we are going to continue using column subtraction, but this time some exchanging happens. Exchanging is when the digit from the first number is smaller than the digit that appears in the equivalent spot in the second number. So I'm going to start off by writing this out. We're going to go 450 subtract 262. So the same method is applied for larger numbers as well as smaller numbers. So we're going to start off by doing 0 subtract 2. As it's subtraction, you're not able to switch the digits the other way around and do 2 subtract 0. It must be 0 subtract 2. And as we know, 0 subtract 2 is not possible. You'd end up with a negative number. So what you need to do is you need to take 1 away from the tens column. So the tens column, this is actually representing 50. So if we take 10 away or take 1 away from 5, it's going to create us with a 4. So we can leave that as a 4 and that now becomes 10 because we've taken it from the tens column into the ones column. So now we're going to do 10 subtract 2, which makes 8. Now in this case, we are now moving on to this one and we need to look at this number, the 4 subtract 6. Now, once again, you can't do 4 subtract 6 and you can't switch numbers around. So you need to take 1 from the hundreds column. So 4 take away 1 is 3 and you're going to give it to the tens column. So this now becomes 14. It doesn't become 5 because we are not taking a 10 across, we're taking 100 across. So this is 14 tens. So 14 subtract 6 is going to be 8. And then 3 subtract 2 is 1. So the answer to the question is 188. 450 subtract 262 is 188.